Dahil malapit ang bahay namin dito sa Istana Tansa and open na yung Phase C. So, ito yung location natin. Ito yung Antero Soriano Highway. So, pagkapasok mo, so matatansya mo sa video na to gaano siya kalayo from the National Road, National Highway kasi 'di ba malapit lang one bus ride to PTEX lang. So ito kasi mapapansin mo mayroong mga naglalakad kasi walking distance lang siya away from Antero Soriano kung saan may dumadaan ng mga bus. Dadaan siya ng Cavitex papuntang PTEX or MOA. So open na ang ating Phase C. Limited slots lang ito kaya kung interesado po kayo, mag-book po agad kayo ng tripping. So location-wise, may mga bilihan na dito, may mga community na existing, may Alpha Mart na dito. So hindi ka na mahihirapan magpamasahe palabas or lumayo pa. Lahat ng mga kailangan natin nandito din. Location-wise, may mga establishment na dito, may Cebuana Luwilier. Kasi meron din tayo ditong Amaya Breeze, sold out na yan. Community-wise, may mga nakatira na siya. So, ito yung Istana Phase A and B. So, ito na yung pinaka-gate ng Istana. Itong model house natin, dyan tayo magti-tripping. Ito yung community. So, may existing community, yung safety natin, kung iniisip mo yung sa mga bibilhin, ulam, andyan. Ito yung magiging pinaka-location natin, itong nakikita mong ito. Pre-selling tayo kaya mura pa yung presyo niyan ngayon. So, ayan. Dahil meron na siyang bakod, ongoing na ang magiging construction ng Phase C ng Istana. So, ganyan siya kalapit. Kung mapapansin nyo, dito yung mga flaglet natin. Iyan po ang ating magiging marka. Diyan po magiging entrance ng Istana Phase C. Ganun siya kalapit. So, ito yung existing community. Meron tayong clubhouse. Meron tayong palaruan ng mga bata. So, ayan. Kung gusto niyo po mag-visit for tripping, i-message niyo ako directly. Kasi po, ayun, para mauna tayo. At napansin ko nga po pala, meron po tayong Pure Mart. Pagkalabas pa lang, ayun na yung Cebuana. Ayan na yung palabas. Walang 3 minutes. Ayun, Alpha Mart. Walang 3 minutes na sa National Road na kayo. Ito yung Antero Soriano Highway. Kung alam nyo ang Bicara Estate, malapit na McDo. Yan, sa Antero Soriano. So, ayun, malapit lang. One bus ride to PTEX. Ito paglabas mo to ng Istana, andyan na dumadaan yung mga bus. Ayan siya. So, maganda ang location. Malapit sa SM Tansa. Mga 3 kilometers lang. Nasa SM Tansa na tayo. And sa mga major establishment na kailangan mong puntahan, ayan po, 24 hours dyan ang biyahe. Ayun ang palabas ng
Good morning, beautiful people! I am here to present to you to our newest project, the Istana Tansa Phase. The Istana Tansa Phase is located at Barangay Biga, Tanza, Cavite. Here's the Istana Tansa Phase location map. Top view of location map. The vicinity map. Let me discuss to you the project profile. The Istana Tansa Phase is owned and developed by Barclay Realty Corporation. It is located at Barangay Biga, Tanza, Cavite. It has a total project area of 52,649 square meters. It has a total saleable units of 739 lots. The lot area is ranging from minimum of 44 square meters up to maximum of 148 square meters. Moving on to the model house profile. So we have 2 house model, the Townhouse 49 and Townhouse 58. For the house area, we have 49 square meters and 58 square meters. For the specification of the house, it is 2-story townhouse bare with provision 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath for Townhouse 49 and 2 toilet and baths for Townhouse 58. Both have living room, dining area, kitchen area, laundry area, and with provision of 1-car garage. Here's the model house for Townhouse 49. This is the external design for Townhouse 49. For ground floor, we have living area, dining area, and kitchen. This is the top view of ground floor and a sample of interior design for Townhouse 49. Moving on to the second floor of Townhouse 49, the house layout has bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. Moving on is the top view for second floor Townhouse 49. It is a provision for 3 bedrooms. And here are the example of the interior design for Townhouse 49. Now, our second option, the Townhouse 58. This is the exterior design for Townhouse 58. We have living area, dining area, and kitchen. Here is the top view for ground floor. And here are some examples of the interior design for Townhouse 58. For the second floor of Townhouse 58, the house layout has bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. And lastly, the top view for second floor Townhouse 58. It is provision for 3 bedrooms. And here are some examples of the interior design for Townhouse 58. Now, let's talk about the subdivision and development features. We have concrete roads, sidewalks and gutters, underground drainage system, Meralco electrical facility, water facility, main entrance gate with guardhouse, landscape parks and playground, basketball court, and clubhouse. We offer 2 financing schemes for housing loan application. First, under Pag-ibig financing. The sample computation will be total contract price less required down payment inclusive of reservation fee. The net down payment will be equally divided into DP terms. The balance will be applied to Pag-ibig with maximum of 30 years. This is the example schedule of payment for Pag-ibig financing. Be informed that after a month of your official reservation is your first down payment. The second option is under in-house financing. The computation will be total contract price less required 15% down payment inclusive of reservation fee. The balance of amortization is payable up to maximum of 15 years with interest of 24% per annum. How to reserve? Here's the online reservation requirements. Scan, copy, or picture file. 1 month latest payslip or COEC for local employment. Job contract for OFW, sea-based or land-based. For business or self-employed, financial statement and ITR for business is required. 2 valid ID with specimen signature. ESAV, MDF or Pag-ibig loyalty card for Pag-ibig housing loan. Proof of billing. Deposit slip of reservation. All requirements can be emailed. It must be in JPEG format and the size must be below 1 MB per picture. For mode of payment, we have 3 options. First, spot cash. It is based on the total contract price net of 10% miscellaneous fees. 5% discount if paid in full within 7 calendar days, and 3% discount if paid in full within 30 calendar days. Second, deferred. It is 24 months to pay interest-free with at least equal monthly payments. And lastly, installment sale. It is at least 20% of total contract price down payment payable for 24 months with interest of 24% per annum. Discount based on the total down payment inclusive in-house financing. 5% discount if paid in full within 7 calendar days. 3% discount if paid in full within 30 calendar days. Complete documentary requirement is required for full down payment and to avail the discount. Monthly amortization will start on the 25th month from the reservation date or after the full down payment, whichever comes first. Commission will be based on the total contract price less 10% miscellaneous fees. Please refer to the guidelines for the listing of commission for more information. For penalty and charges, non-payment within 55 days upon reservation is automatic cancellation. 2% monthly charge for down payment delay. Additional surcharge of 1% per month if still delay after down payment period. 3% monthly charge for amortization delay. Here are the preview of amenities. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Happy selling!